all know that dollar is not coming down anytime soon, and that is why you have to seize this opportunity to make money before dollar actually comes down, if it actually comes down, and you can actually make money from the comfort of your home. So guys, please do not forget to do what? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. Do not forget to actually drop your comments on the comment section, and I'll be answering to all your questions. So first, making money online is not as easy as I'm about to tell you right now, but if you are persistent, consistent, and you really want to make money online, trust me, you're going to be rolling in millions of naira from dollar to naira, and this is actually the best time for you to start making money online. So let me tell you the 6 ways you can make money from the comfort of your home without any stress, and the money is going to be ringing in your account balance. The first way to make money online is blogging. Blogging is actually easy if you know how to do it. You can actually check some YouTube channels that can teach you how to do bloggings, and what you need to get blogging started is actually very, very small. All you need to do is just get a domain and account that you can actually publish your content on it, and definitely you're going to start making money. So let me give you some of the places you can actually host your content. You can actually use Inos, that's IONUS. You can use Blueshot. Blueshot is actually a good way to upload your blog and you make money. Another one is Ugo-Host. Not sure if that is actually still working presently, but if it does, then it's actually one of the best domain you can actually put your blogging on, and you will make your money from the comfort of your home. So let's go to the next one. The next one is virtual assistant, just like normal secretary assistants that you go to work every day, but in this one you don't need any transport fare. We have so many companies online outside the country that they want a virtual assistant. All you need to do is just to be there, and they pay up to like $25 to $35 per hour. So that's actually money. Calculate $25 to $30 per hour. It is money in naira right now. So you can actually get all these companies that want virtual assistants, e.g. Viber.com, Guru.com. You can check on those platforms. You will be able to get companies that need virtual assistants. So the next one is affiliate marketing. Everybody have been hearing about affiliate marketing. Most people did not know what it all entails, what it's actually all about, but it does not even cost you any money. It's like selling so much things without you having a capital. That's what affiliate marketing is. So if you want me to explain how you can go about affiliate marketing, I can actually put it in the description box below. I'm going to make a full video on how you can get your affiliate marketing all started. But if you have been hearing about affiliate marketing and you know a little about it, then it's better for you to just start it, because it actually takes nothing from you than you advertising it on your page, putting the link, and the more people click on that link, the more you make money. So if you want me to do a full video on affiliate marketing and how to go about it, then put it in the comment section. So if you have more people that request for this, I'm going to be making a full video on how to start your affiliate marketing. I also do that and I get my money in dollars. That's it. So the next one is online courses. I've done that as well before. So if you want me to tell you how you can go about your online courses, just put it in the comment section. I'm going to make a full video on how to start your online courses, and all these things you will make money on it. Selling courses online actually pave way, like gives you money. You can actually have maybe a storybook or your courses. Like now, maybe I'm actually a makeup artist and I want to tell people how to do makeup, maybe step by step, or how to make something else. I can actually sell that, because I'm actually saying, okay, it has to be about makeup. I'm just telling that if you have something that you know people have interest in, they can actually make it as a course and sell it out to people. Let me give you an example. A friend of mine is actually in US, and he said he bought some courses, like $2,000 courses, yes, and he didn't even gain anything from it until he came to a Nigerian course, people that sells courses online, just for 100,000 naira, and he got everything he has been wasting thousands of dollars on. So trust me, people outside the country will still buy your course if you actually make it more explanatory and more like it is very wealthy. The next one is creating a YouTube channel. Trust me, that's why you are here. I created this YouTube channel just to explain, give you so much things to understand and learn from my YouTube channel. Some for entertainment, some for educating, some for blogging, some for reacting video. I've actually made a video on the niches. I think 13 niches you can actually put yourself on in 2024 that you can make money on, a real deal money, big money on. So if you want to watch the niche, okay, you want to start a YouTube channel now, you don't know the niche that you can go into, then check one of my videos that I've made on my channel about the niches you can actually go into this year that will make you cool cash. Trust me, it's not all niche that actually have good CPM and good RPM. And if you don't know about that, I've actually made another video on the RPM and CPM, how to calculate every other thing as well. I've made the video, is actually on my YouTube channel as well. You can actually watch it, so you will know the niche you want to go into. You will know how to calculate your RPM before you get started. Because if I am starting YouTube now in 2024, trust me, I will have done it in a different way if I've known all these things that I'm telling you right now. So you can check out these videos to know how to start your YouTube channel now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have actually loved this content, please press the subscribe button right now. And also, I train people on how to start YouTube, how to actually grow their business, because I've been a business person for the past 15 years and I'm still growing in my personal business. And even I don't even upload my personal business like before, and I'm still selling. So if you want to know how to sustain your business and grow as a content creator or grow as a business person, I do classes for that. So you can actually DM me on my Instagram, which is Walia_official. The name is actually written here right now, or the link is going to be in the description box below, so you can click the link and just say hello to me on Instagram. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and follow me. Please subscribe. I really appreciate that. Until next time, please stay blessed. Bye bye.